Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create your own intro with the few basic steps. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So first of all you have to open your editing app. After that select a blank page. If you don't want to select a blank page, then you can also select a image, photo or anything you want. After selecting that, I'm not selecting an image. If you are selecting an image, then you don't need to get a background, but I'm doing on a blank page, so yeah, here I have to select a background. After selecting background, you can also get photos from your library or photo library or download from Google or anything you want. So all of you know that intro is about you can welcome your viewers to your video. So now I'm writing welcome to my YouTube channel with a new video. So intro is all about like you're inviting people, viewers to get interaction, attraction to your video, intentions and all that viewer access. So hope so you know. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like my video, share this video and stay tuned with this channel for more updates like this. So here you can return what text, any text, whatever you want to return. Welcome to my YouTube channel, hope so you enjoy this video and all that thing. You have to return in different format. You can also write in different languages, legal different formats, different colors, different fonts and all of thing that you want. Here you can change the background of your label, change the color of your text, animation. You can also add animation, anything you can all easily add here. So this is a very easy step by using which you can also create your own intro in a few seconds. Hope so friends you enjoy watching this video. Here I written as welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the basic how I create my own channel intro. Hope so you learned from this video. Now you can change the size of your text if you want to, and once again I'm adjusting the side. Now once again play the video. Here you can see how my intro of the channel appears on the screen. Thank you.